A lot of people dealing with a lot of rain, some flooding in some parts of our area. Let's get right to Lonnie Quinn to see what's ahead for us tonight and the weekend.
Yeah, I think we still have a chance for some rain as you go through the nighttime hours, and that chance for rain sort of diminishes and will go away as you get into your weekend. All right, let me show you what it looks like outside right now, because it hasn't been, you know, beautiful, these vistas I've been trying to show you. And this is one I'm showing because I want you to look at the streets. All right, that's West 57th, right in front of CBS. Kind of glistening. They're damp, but it's not raining right now on West 57th Street. It's 56 on the thermometer. We like the mid-50s around here, apparently. All right, high temperatures. Bridgeport, Connecticut, a record for you. LaGuardia, a record for you at 62 degrees. Islip, a record at 60. Central Park hits 61 for the high. Not a record. The record is 65, but it's been incredibly mild for everybody. All the rain we picked up, almost everybody got 2 inches of rain or more. Well, you know what? It bumped us from the 6th wettest year ever to now we're in the top 5 in the 5th position. But will we possibly usurp the 4th position? It's not going to happen. I don't believe it's going to happen. You need almost 2 more inches of rain. We're not going to see that. You only have until January 1 to pick it up. So I think we'll finish as a top 5, which is a statement right there about how wet it has been this year. Still continues to put some wet weather down for places like Nassau County, Suffolk County, into Fairfield County. I'll give you a bit broader picture here. You can see there's 2 particular lines. Okay, one off to the west has got heavier rain. Some of that could creep into some of our western suburbs. This line is going to continue to feed moisture, because this moisture feed, it goes all the way down to the Bahamas. All right, it's going to continue to push some rain, relatively light, over the east end of Long Island. Not necessarily just the east end either. It could also be over Nassau County as well, maybe even clipping, you know, the Queens, Brooklyn. It's a possibility there, but there's still this dry slot that's going to remain intact for a good portion of the night. Watch how it works out. There's our 2 lines. Computer models, they're right on board with what I'm showing you. So this is pretty good. Let's see how it all plays out. Again, the heavy stuff that you see off east is going to stay off to the east, but we're going to watch some of this trickle in. So here we go. 1, 2 o'clock in the morning is coming in. Here's a pretty big batch, like around 3 o'clock in the morning. All right? And then as you keep rolling here, you're going to find you get into your Saturday, and the more you push into Saturday, the calmer things are going to get. I will say the winds are blowing all day on Saturday. Maybe not as strong as they were today, but it's still out there. What happens by the time we get into your day on Saturday? Well, the skies are looking brighter. Sunday, it's a nice looking day out there. And now look at this picture. This is Monday. Monday is Christmas Eve, but this is Monday at 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is officially the morning before Christmas. But we do think there could be some snow flying out there north of the city. It's not a big accumulator, but it is out there. In terms of accumulations, right now only 20% of the country gets a white Christmas. That's an inch of snow or more on the ground. But with that little system I just showed you, maybe a few more could see it, possibly in our area. Let's zoom in tight, Dan, and take a look. Not likely, not in the cards, except for maybe the northern portions of Sullivan and Ulster County could maybe pick up that inch on Monday early in the morning. 42 will be the high on Monday. Tuesday, that's your Christmas Day, and look at it, the cold air is in place. 31 to start off. You never get out of the 30s on Christmas Day. But regardless, I hope you have a very happy holiday day.